Hi. I'm so cozy. It's Saturday the 21st of September. It's 11:30. Excuse me. I've just had like a chill morning. I've been watching loads of Nicole Lano. Love Nicole. I needed to catch up on her vlogs and I ended up just going down a complete rabbit hole. My lens is dirty. Better. I just need a complete refresh. I've had my chill morning. I need to get up. I need to get going. Parts of my room are a mess. I've recently just done up my room. We put up some wooden slats on my wall. I did vlog it, but I just didn't upload it. I'm sorry. And then I've got a new piece of furniture. It's called an ottoman. It's basically just like a storage box, but it's boucle, so it's like, you know, like sheep's wool. I don't know if it is that, but it's kind of like that. But it doesn't look so cute at the minute because I have a pile of clothes on there. I have some dead flowers, and then I have like a bag of books, and then also a pile of clothes. So I just need to sort them bits out, and then yeah. But yeah, I feel like the first thing that I want to do is have a bath because this hair is not gonna do it for today. But I'm also so excited. We've just booked to go see Sheffield Steelers tonight. If you don't know Sheffield Steelers, they're an ice hockey team. We used to go all of the time, but I don't think I've ever vlogged it. But yeah, we more or less go every year, every time it's in season. And this is our first time going this year since they're back. I'm so excited to get my jersey out. But yeah, I'm probably gonna finish this vlog that I'm watching. I'm watching her like farewell vlog when she leaves for uni. It just feels right to watch that one because all of my friends have kind of like left for uni now, and it's just me. I actually don't think I've updated you on that situation. I have another job. I left my waitressing job. I'm sad about it, but at the same time I'm really not. I can actually move on and do something that I enjoy. I've got a marketing job at the college that I went to. I'm basically doing like all the content for their social media. I'm currently going around with a film crew, which is so exciting because that is what I want to do in my life. But yeah, I'm loving it at the minute. I think I've been there for 3 weeks now. It's currently Saturday. I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off this week. It is only a part-time job, so I usually work Monday to Thursday, but I worked all day Wednesday, which meant that I could have Thursday off, which is something that I love about this job, is how flexible it can be. But yeah, I'm gonna sit and watch this vlog and then probably go and have a bath. Cry at everything at the minute. I've been sat watching Britain's Got Talent Golden Buzzers and every time they just make me cry. It doesn't even matter what performance it is, they just make me cry. Ugh. I'm just gonna go get my skincare. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, now that that's over, I don't know what it is at the minute, but I'm literally just crying at everything. I feel like these past couple of months, like, I don't know, everything's just changed. It's got me so emotional. It's currently 1:45. I had the best bath that I've had in a while. I had like an everything bath, you know, like everything showers. I'd rather do all of that in a bath. My plan now, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna wait for my hair to air dry. We don't need to leave until about 5. However, if we're gonna get food while we're there, we'll probably leave a little bit earlier. We have like a tradition where every time we go to a Sheffield Steelers game, we'll go to Five Guys because there's one like across the road from the stadium. I don't know, it's just something that we've done since like the first time that we went. But yeah, I'm so excited for Steelers tonight. I can't tell you how much I love ice hockey. Like, it's just a different vibe to some other sports. Like, you'll go to a football match and the vibes are just completely different. Everyone's just like so supportive. There's not really like any swearing or anything, so it's like family friendly. I just love it, everything about it. Okay, please tell me if someone relates to this. I always get like hair stuck in my brace and it's the most disgusting thing ever. I hate having hair in my mouth. Like, when we're making food and things, I'll often find like a dog hair from when my dog's like, from when I've fussed the dog and then I've gone to eat it. I often find like dog hair in my food and I'm like, no. So I'm sat there like picking little bits out. My family's like, it's not gonna kill you. I don't care. If there's hair in my food, I ain't eating that. I'll eat it, but the hair has to leave. So for this to just be like sat in my brace, the most disgusting thing to me. I found a new product that I love. I was trying to do some research because the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops are so expensive, but I really wanted some. So I was trying to find like alternatives, and I was watching Lacey Shop TikTok where she like ranked all of the different bronzing drops, and she said that the e.l.f. ones were like the most pigmented. However, they can sometimes be blotchy. I've just been putting it in with my moisturizer, and I've not been putting a lot on. I can definitely tell a difference in my skin, and my skin looks so even, like the colouring. But I'm gonna do my makeup while I'm watching something. I'm currently rewatching Heartstopper because the new season comes out in in just over a week.
Exactly why I didn't want to tell you.
Can you tell how many times I've watched the series?
Why do you keep going in my room? David, please don't swear. He's such a dick.
Love that scene. My camera's gonna die. I'm gonna put it on charge and then I'll be back. Okay, we're leaving a little bit earlier because we need to go do something before we end up going. But I'm now dressed. I'm not actually properly dressed. I have these leggings on. These are the fleece lined leggings from Primark. Love these. I've got the brown pair, the green pair, and this pair. I need the rest of them, seriously. And then I have a long sleeved top on under this, which is from Hollister. This isn't the jumper that I'm actually going to be wearing. There's 3 things that I always wear when we go to these games. These orange socks. These are actually trampoline socks. When you go to Go Bounce, I don't know where Go Bounce is, but whenever you go, you get given a pair of socks, and they're bright orange and they just have like sticky pads, but these aren't sticky anymore, and I always wear these. And then you'll probably get the theme, but this jumper, which I got from Wales at one point, it just says Underground, that's the name of the shop, and then it's just got Underground on the back, like the same logo. This is comfy, but not as comfy as this because this is like massively oversized, whereas this one is kind of more fitted, so I've just thrown this on for now. And then my jersey, which I got for Christmas maybe like 5 years ago, no, 6 years ago. I think I got it in 2018, so it's a little small, especially with the hoodie underneath. It's just this. It looks massive, but I promise you it's not. I think it's a child size, and it's got O'Connor on the back, who was my favorite player, but he's no longer on the team. But I'll put this on before we go into the arena. But I'm just gonna do my hair now. I'm gonna curl it because I've not curled it in a while. I used to curl my hair all the time, and for the past like week and a half, 2 weeks, I've not curled my hair, and I'm kind of missing it. So we're gonna give her a curl. I've basically just been waiting for my hair to dry. Okay, I'm all ready. Cute jumper. Got my socks on. Snazzy. I'm not going to put this on until we get to the arena. I'm also going to take this bag with me. Got this from Shein. Absolutely obsessed with it. Yeah, this is the fit. I'm going to put... My shoes are here, actually. I'm going to put my Adidas Campus on. They're so dirty already. I've not had them long, but they look proper snazzy with my socks. Look how snazzy they are.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
Like the way she smiles, she got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now what I ever. It is what it is.
What did you get?
And I'm vlogging. Alright.
What did you get?
Burger.
Burger.
Look, and it's always the right way up. I love that.
Just said that. Oh, Gary. They tripped me up.
I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, caught my eye, whatever, cross that line. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying. But my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
%100% needed this morning. Okay, good morning. Actually, good afternoon. It's 1:30. Surprise, surprise. Haven't really saved a full day, have I, to be honest. The game last night, super fun. Bloody love going to see the Steelers. Today, I haven't done a lot, to be honest. Went down, had my breakfast, saw my family. I think I woke up maybe like 9:30, which isn't too bad, to be honest. But yeah, barely done anything. My parents have been out to the range this morning. I was gonna go with them, but I was honestly so tired. We got back last night at about 11 and then I just couldn't sleep. I slept the whole time in the car. I don't know why, but I can just nap in the car for hours and I'm honestly not complaining because I love it. But yeah, that meant that I couldn't sleep for the rest of the night. I think I ended up getting to sleep at maybe like 1. I'm only doing light makeup today because I didn't want to have a makeup day today, so I'm kind of just gonna do my skincare and then maybe put a little bit on. The game last night was honestly so good. Like I said, we've been going for quite a few years now. My jersey is from 2018 and that's kind of like when we started going. But yeah, I just love the atmosphere of the games. Everyone's just so nice as well. Like we were sat behind this really nice couple. My camera's about to die again. But yeah, it was super fun. There were so many fights as well. We've seen a couple of fights like every now and then during games, but we've never seen that many within a game. And it was also all within like the last period. So hockey games are split into thirds, so you have 3 periods. And honestly, I think there was maybe like 1 scrap in the second period, but then the third period, oh my god, so many people got sent off, weren't allowed to finish the game. It was crazy. Dowd, who's the captain of our team, got sent off and wasn't allowed to play like the last 5 minutes. Crazy. Anyway, my camera's about to die. I'll see you when I'm finished. I'm gonna end this vlog. It's currently 9:30. I've put all my clothes away and tidied all my room and stuff. So I've not got anything down there anymore. I'm currently watching Zombies 3. Yeah, all of my desk space is tidy. Not got a pile of clothes on there anymore. Everywhere is tidy. The only thing that I didn't do that I wanted to do was hoover, but I'll do that tomorrow. Yeah, I've had a fun weekend, so that's fine. I honestly haven't had time to like chill or relax for a while and kind of take some days off. So it was actually quite nice to be able to do that this weekend. Thankfully my job does allow me to kind of have breaks, and it's only part-time, so I'm only there until like 2 o'clock. So then I've kind of got the whole night to relax and do what I want. But I still have to be waking up at 6, so I'm still tired and stuff throughout the day. And I'll also be busy as well. I'm not just kind of sat there, I will be busy. So to be able to have a couple of days off was very nice. I'm just kind of glad that I'm in a routine now and I know what I'm doing. Honestly, I have no idea what's going on with my hair, so I'm just gonna ignore it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.